Hello again. In the last two videos on Python list, we know how to initialize a Python list, and how to add an element to the Python list, how to add element at exposition, how to add element at append the list, add element to the last after the last element, and how to remove element at index, and how to remove the first element that it found. And also, if you want to clear the list, want to make it an empty list, you can just use the clear method. Okay, now we cleared in this point. Okay, now we want to know what is the other operation that we can use for this list. We can use it to sort and to reverse the list. Now we just read about this. Terminal. Let's say you want to sort this list, so we just use the sort method. So this is a sorted version, but if you want to reverse the sorting, you can use the reverse method. Okay, you can see this is the unsorted element, the first element, and this is the sorted method, and this is the reverse. In Python, a string is also considered as a sequence of characters, so you can do some of the list operation or method on string. So let's try for one element. str list, let's say apple. So you want to reverse you want to count how many p in this string. So we use the count. Let's try it. 0, because this is it is case sensitive. Okay, so we continue this string manipulation in other videos. See you next time.